Kamusta naman kayong lahat? I really hope you're all doing well today and of course, sana din safe and happy kayo. For today's video guys, ang gagawin natin is susubukan natin yung newest release ng Careline and I'm super happy because finally, naglabas na sila ng bagong products. I actually have the complete collection or shades ng powder and concealer kaya may ipapakita ko din sa inyo yung complete swatches, di ba? Para may reference kayo. And also, look at the packaging, di ba? Super nice niya kasi very minimalist, very clean. As in, ang sarap sa mata. Very refreshing. So yeah, yun guys. Today, gagawa natin ang first impression review and swatches. Itong mga bagong product nila para makita natin yung colors, yung texture, and also yung feeling kapag nilagay sa face. To save time, off-cam ko na ginawa yung base and ito yung mga ginamit ko. For primer, I used the Revlon Perfecting and Smoothing Makeup and Skincare Primer. This one is yung kulay pink. Tapos for foundation, I used the Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 112 Natural Ivory. Apat yung shades na meron dito sa bagong concealer ng Careline and yung tawag sa kanya is Acne Spot Concealer. So dito sa box niya nakalagay that this one is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan. 12 months after opening yung expiration or shelf life and kagaya sa ibang products nila, this is also made in China. It also says sa box that this one is formulated with tea tree oil tapos meron din siyang salicylic acid. And I believe yung dati nilang concealer, meron din siyang tea tree oil. And acne spot concealer din yung tawag kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Hindi ko sure kung familiar kayo doon but I guess ipapop ko na lang somewhere sa screen yung photo para may idea kayo. And for those of you na nasubukan yung panigurado, you guys probably know what I'm talking about kasi diba when it comes sa coverage, super sheer. Tapos parang wala siyang ginagawa sa face and sobrang tapang nung scent, diba? And I'm hoping na sana etong bago nila, malayong-malayo doon. Kasi diba, packaging pa lang naman sobrang laki na ng difference. And hopefully, even sa formula, super laki ng difference because kung pareho sila, may inis ako, promise. Packaging looks like this and as you can see, super nice niya kasi diba, it's very clean, aesthetically pleasing, and sobrang millennial nung vibes. Matte kasi and frosted yung finish ng packaging kaya kapag kahawak nyo siya, it feels very luxe. And also, it's made of plastic, by the way. Pagdating sa scent ng concealer, actually, medyo close yung scent niya sa dati nilang concealer. It smells like tea tree oil, pero hindi naman siya yung super duper intense or overpowering. First shade is called Oriental, and this is how it looks like. Ayan guys, yellow undertone siya. This one naman is natural, and ito yung shade na sumunod kay first color. And ito siya, warm din yung color niya. Ayan. Third shade is called Mocha. I hate Mocha, charot. But ayun nga, Mocha yung next color and ayan guys, dark na yung color. Ito namang hawak ko ngayon, yung last color is Cafe. And this is the deepest sa apat. Again, from top to bottom, we have Oriental, Natural, Mocha, and Cafe. And in fairness sa color selection guys, sobrang perfect for Asian skin, specifically for Pinoy or Pinay skin tone. Tsaka yung gaps ng color, diba? Sobrang laki ng difference, hindi sila yung parang magkakadikit na kulay. Or close sa isa't isa, very impressive. But unfortunately, I feel like dito sa mga shades na to, walang perfect na ipang spot conceal sa skin tone ko kasi etong dalawang lightest color, parang dark for my skin yung isa, tapos yung isa naman masyadong light. Although this one, guys, I can see myself using pang highlight, but yung second shade, parang masyado na siyang dark para ipang spot conceal. Para i-highlight yung under eye tsaka T-zone, yung shade na gagamitin natin sa video na to is si Oriental. I'm not sure, but I feel like this one is too yellow for my skin. And para fair, ang gawin natin is patuyuin muna natin ng konti bago i-blend. Ganun naman talaga kasi kung mag-concealer guys, kahit sa anong concealer na gamit ko. Pinapatuyo ko muna yung concealer for at least 1 minute bago i-blend para mas intense yung coverage niya. So, when it comes sa kulay ng concealer, actually I'm not sure but I feel like mas okay to kung medyo lighter pa ng konti kasi especially sa personal, ang dilaw ng kulay niya. And here you have it guys. This is how the concealer looks like kapag na-blend na siya and one layer lang. And when it comes sa coverage, light lang siya. Huwag kayo masyadong mag-expect when it comes sa coverage. Kasi sa akin guys, na-notice ko na nagpipick through pa yung ibang imperfections ko and redness sa face. Which can be a good thing or bad thing. Depende sa tao. For those of you na naghahanap ng concealer na perfect for making the skin look even or yung mag-a-add lang ng konting coverage, I'm very sure magugustuhan nyo to kasi sobrang natural lang ng finish niya sa skin tapos hindi siya dry tignan. It looks really nice and kahit mag-smile ako, hindi siya nagki-cake and even kapag hinawakan hindi siya malagkit. Subukan nating i-layer para makita natin if buildable ba siya. And dito lang muna ako sa isang side ng under eye. Ito naman siya kapag ni-layer and as you can see, nadagdagan yung coverage niya and kung i-compare natin sa isang layer, mas bright na siyang tingnan. Okay na okay itong concealer na to for everyday, guys. Or kaya, kapag ka naka no makeup kayo. Even yung kulay, guys, habang tumatagal, parang na-appreciate ko na siya. Kasi diba sabi ko kanina, masyadong yellowish yung kulay niya for my skin. But ngayon, I don't know. I feel like okay naman siya. Anyway, so this time, ang subukan naman natin is yung shade na natural, which is yung second color. And eto namang isang to, subukan natin siyang pang spot conceal. Again, I am not expecting anything dito sa isang to because nga yung kulay niya is too dark for my skin. For me ha, feeling ko dark siya, but subukan muna natin. Actually, eto naman talaga yung purpose nitong concealer na to hindi yung pang highlight. Kasi di ba nga yung tawag sa kanya is Acne Spot Concealer. So, yeah. But of course, concealer din naman yung ginagamit pang highlight, diba? So, subukan ko na din. And finger na lang yung gamitin natin. Tama nga guys, hindi siya mag-work sa akin kasi ngayon sa personal, nagmukhang patchy yung base ko since dark yung kulay ng concealer. Siguro kung deeper ng konti, yung skin tone nyo sa akin, okay itong shade na to and perfect match, it will not work. Kasi tignan nyo, dito sa akin, dito sa part na to, nagmukhang patchy yung kulay ng foundation ko. Nagmukha siyang dark, kaya ang gawin natin is i-blend na natin. This is how my face looks like after natin gamitin yung concealer and agad-agad, mag-final verdict na tayo. I was expecting more, especially in terms of coverage. Again, this one, light yung coverage niya, kaya do not expect too much, especially if you have a lot of skin imperfections. For those of you na mahilig sa mga very natural looking makeup or kaya on days na gusto nyo lang parang i-even out yung skin or i-highlight yung under eye, this one is really perfect kasi nga, di ba, sobrang natural nung finish niya and kahit mag 2 layers kayo, it doesn't look cakey. It feels very light and it doesn't feel sticky and hindi rin siya dry tignan sa under eye, kaya okay na okay to, especially kung dry yung under eye nyo. Ang subukan naman natin this time is yung bagong powder ng Careline and yung tawag sa kanya is Oil Control Mattifying Loose Powder. This powder comes in 2 shades and according sa packaging, this contains 5.5 grams. Tapos yung expiration niya after opening is 24 months. Which is perfect kasi diba matagal nyo siya magagamit and it says here that this one you can wear alone or on top of your base makeup. Careline Oil Control Mattifying Loose Powder sets your makeup and absorbs excess oil for that shine-free, soft matte finish. This is how the packaging looks like. Super nice, very clean, and same lang yung aesthetic niya sa concealer. Ito naman yung actual component ng powder. Twist cap siya. Tapos once you open it, meron siyang kasamang puff inside. Again, this one contains 5.5 grams and TBH, ang konti niya, at least 8 grams. 8 to 10 grams. Ganun dapat yung content. And here you have it, guys. This one is cinnamon. Yellowish yung kulay niya and perfect for morenas. Tapos ito namang next color is called, I believe, Sugar. And ito naman siya. As you can see, lighter and okay na okay ito kung maputi kayo tapos pang-highlight ng under eye. Sana pala gumawa sila ng in-between nitong dalawang shade para meron ding isa pang option. And eto guys, para may reference kayo, here are swatches ng ilan sa mga powders na meron ako and ng bagong Careline Loose Powder. Ito yung bagong Careline Loose Powder. Again, this one is cinnamon and si Sugar. Yung third is the Nichido Final Powder in Creamy Glow. Tapos yung last naman is yung Coty Airspun in Translucent Extra Coverage. When it comes to texture ng powder, actually pinong-pino yung bagong Careline and it reminds me of the RCMA No Color Powder. Ganun siyang ka-silky and smooth. Subukan na natin to guys. And for my under eye, ang gagamitin kong shade is Sugar. So, this is how the shade Sugar looks like kapag pinang-bake siya ng under eye. And as you can see, talagang brightening yung kulay niya kasi diba light nga siya. When it comes to feeling ng powder sa face, actually it's not heavy. It feels very smooth. And ayun, tingnan nyo, sobrang bilis mag-glide ng finger ko, especially sa under eye. Ito ding powder guys, light lang yung coverage niya. And I think this one naman talaga is specifically for lang talaga, setting the face. Hindi naman siya ginawa to add coverage sa face or parang gawing full yung makeup or base nyo. But ang nice ng feeling niya guys, in fairness, hindi din dry yung pakiramdam niya sa powder. Kasi di ba may mga powder na kapag nilagay nyo sa under eye, parang feeling nyo nababanat yung skin or sobrang nasisip-sip yung moisture. Kagaya sa Coty Airspun. But dito sa isang to, yung sa Careline, walang ganong feeling. Subukan na din natin si cinnamon guys, just to see kung ano yung itsura niya sa skin. Especially kung pareho tayo ng skin tone, kasi di ba medyo dark nga to. Tama nga, masyadong dark for my skin. Ayun oh, look at that, di ba? Kitang-kita yung pagka-yellowish ng kulay. And this one, I think, okay siyang ipang-bake sa under eye if you have deeper complexion. Kasi di ba yellowish yung kulay niya, kaya para siyang banana powder. Overall, for me, I like this powder guys, and I can see myself using this Especially on days na ang hanap kong powder is yung talagang pang set lang ng face. On days na okay naman yung skin ko and I don't need any coverage, I can see myself using this one and reaching for. Again guys, this one doesn't have enough coverage pang cover ng imperfections, kaya do not expect anything. For setting and mattifying the face lang talaga to. So kung yun yung hanap nyo, okay na okay to, but if you're looking for that powder na may coverage, this is not the one. Maganda yung feeling ng powder sa face and silky smooth talaga yung texture niya. Siguro for me yung downside lang dito is yung amount na makukuha nyo sa presyo niya. Kasi diba, it only contains 5.5 grams tapos 220 pesos. Kung i-compare natin siya sa Nichido, this one contains 25 grams tapos 150 pesos lang. So diba, ang laki ng difference ng presyo and ng amount of product. But then again, in terms of quality nga, super nice niya. Hey guys, so this is how my face looks like after I believe more than 5 hours of using or testing the new Careline loose powder. And as you can see, nag-oil up na yung sa forehead, sa nose, sa chin, and also sa cheeks, but the rest of my face okay pa naman. Especially sa under eye, hindi siya nag-cake, hindi siya nag-crease, and it looks smooth pa din. Kaya I feel like okay na okay siyang gamitin, especially pagka madami ko yung fine lines sa under eye. Kagaya nga ng sabi ko guys, this powder doesn't have any coverage, as in super light lang niya, and I feel like yung purpose niya talaga is pang bake and pang set lang ng face. Kaya kung yung hanap yung powder is yung may coverage, that one is not for you. But personally for me, I like this kasi usually naman talaga kapag ka nagbe-bake ako, ang gamit ko is translucent, walang coverage. At kapag ka naman ang gusto ko is may coverage, ang kinukuha ko talaga or ginagamit is yung mga pressed powder or pressed powder foundation. Sayang nga lang, di ba? Kasi dalawang shades lang yung meron. I feel like mas okay siya kung meron pang in-between nung light and nung dark, cinnamon and sugar. And also guys, sa buong face ko nga pala ginamit yung powder. Wala na ako ibang ginamit or nilagay. Not bad for 5 hours kasi di ba, it looks decent pa din. Parang konting retouch lang. It looks fresh na ulit and maganda na yung magiging itsura ulit ng makeup ko. So yeah, that's it guys for my super quick na check-in and wear test. Again, I've been wearing this powder for more than 5 hours and yung base na ginamit ko, concealer, foundation, primer is yung same sa video lang. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching, of course, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe and I hope to see all of you again on my next one.